Hey everybody, it's Hitman from BlackOpsFishing.com, and we're about to go winter striper fishing. They're starting to thicken up. Starting to thicken up here. Looks pretty good. Should be able to get one down there on the bottom. Oh, there's one. Come on, man. Where are you? Oh, I got a subscriber. All right.
Stripers. That's a fish.
Huh?
You got a fish. You're good on that thing now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that one.
Well, fatty? You just vertically jigging them up?
Yeah.
Getting sketchy in there? You got pliers? You got them.
As soon as I held it still, sometimes they want me to hold it still.
Yeah, you gotta look underside.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that one. Fatty. That's my best one. There we go. Feels like it. Oh yeah. It's a better one. It's gotta be. None of them did that. None of them feel like that. Huh. What? Oh, I get them in the butt? Uh-oh. Your butt hurt, dude. Sorry. I didn't mean to butt hurt you. Oh. Alright. Come on. Subscribe. Oh, double. Huh. There you go.
That happens sometimes.
Yeah.
The gang rig. Chandelier. The cheater. Don't come off.
Oh, don't come on.
Oh, let me catch your blade. Alright.
It's not even showing up yet. It's gonna any second.
I'm trying to muscle him a little, but I don't want to break my rig.
Yeah, don't break your rig. Don't lose it. Oh wow, dude. Maybe it's a keeper. Oh, I'll keep it. I want to do an eat, catch and cook. This is sick. Oh my god. There we go. Look at that, dude.
You got him mouth.
Can't believe that one. Fish pump.
You take a picture with your phone?
Yeah.
I'll get this out of the way.
Oh.
It's like me slipping. Got it?
Yeah, they're good.
You want it?
There's nothing on the screen. Gene, you didn't expect a keeper, did you? Nice. Keeper. Yep. Epic. Alright, I'll get one now.
Need a hit, man.
Come on. Give me a hit, man. Come on. I know you're there. Hit me. Whoa, that's a better one. It's a good one. Ha. Nice, unless I hooked him wrong. He's running.
No way.
Yeah, he is.
No way.
Yeah, he is. Yeah. Yeah! Winter stripers. All right, man. Woohoo! Come on. Oh, dude, he's big. Huge. Might be a keeper. Look at the size of him.
Got the fatty though. Hey. One second, hold him up. Alright.
Chicken eat.
Alright, we're in them heavy thick again over here. Hence all these boats. We're in thick. You're a trooper on that ice jig though.
Whoa. That's a drag puller.
We're in bigger fish right now, I think.
Yep, we got in the bigger fish. Thank you for that. That's what I thought. Even that one that took my jig.
He was a much bigger fish.
Yeah, this is a good fight right here. This is fun.
Woohoo!
This is epicism. Ice fishing rod, striper.
Is it a striper? You've seen it?
I think it's a striper. I haven't seen it, but I mean, could be a salmon.
Smallmouth.
Dude, it's a striper.
You got a glimpse? Yeah, they say there's some in here.
That's alright. I'll edit that. I'll just edit that. Click. Yeah.
Good fish, dude.
Yeah, look.
It's big as
Caught
your
a
rod.
striper as long as my pole. Epic video. Oh, another storm. Hey, this is better. Or maybe I hooked him in his butt. He feels like he's hooked in the mouth.
All possible.
Yeah, he's a good one.
I think we're on track for a pretty epic video.
Biggest one, dude. Wow, look at him. Don't come off. It's a bigger one. Sweet.
I missed the hook set.
Lost my lure and the fish.
They broke you off?
I should have grabbed them. Damn. The bigger one.
I missed your hook set anyway. Got him!
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Get another one.
Alright.
We're droning on them.
Throwing them in. We're in them? Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Come on. Get over there. Hit me. Blade bait. Subscribe to my blade bait now. Like and subscribe. There are so many there. Come on. Give me a hit, man. Can I end this with one more fish? Ho ho. A splasher. Whoa. Looks like a keeper. Oh, nice one. Rod, this is my best one of the day.
Come on.
I'm telling you.
Come on.
Oh man, I don't know if it's a keeper. It's big though. I can feel it. I can't even budge it right now.
Start backing up. That's the last one. You're gonna boat it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna boat it. The last one's gonna be my biggest. Oh yeah, look at him running.
Watch him.
Oh yeah, I can't even. Sometimes I can't move them. Oh yeah, I seen that big white stripe down there. Oh, dude, he got away.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we went winter striper fishing today, and it was an awesome day. How many did we catch?
Couple hundred.
Couple hundred stripers. We got a keeper, probably 32 inches. Had a couple of almost keepers. I caught all of mine on an ice fishing rod, which was a lot of fun. And
I lost a big one.
yeah, my last one was a big one.
Like, maybe close to a keeper.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy, but still on an ice fishing rod.
Yeah, it was a good fight. And we had the drone, which was really cool.
Droned on them.
Yeah, everything was good. Good time.
Caught them on everything.
Yeah.
Blade bait, single jig, A-rig. Good day.
Yep. Epic.
Epic.
It was epic. Epic.
We'll do it
And
again.
yeah, we'll do it again. And I got a keeper that Matt caught. I'm gonna do a catch and cook video. He catch and I cook.
Keep off my bass.